Moving to a new country is exciting, but it can also be stressful, especially if you arrive and realize you packed the wrong things or left behind items you actually needed. Many migrants coming to Poland end up wasting luggage space on items they can easily buy here, while forgetting essentials that are expensive or difficult to find. In this video, I will walk you through the most important things you should bring when traveling to Poland as a migrant, and also what you don't really need to carry. This will help you pack smart, save money, and avoid unnecessary stress when you arrive, especially if you are working with a 23 kg luggage limit. Let's get into it. Important documents you must bring. Your documents are the most important things you will travel with. Without them, nothing else matters. Make sure you have your international passport, valid for at least 6 months, your visa, work permit and employment contract, proof of accommodation, any documents given to you by your employer or agency. It's best to come with both originals and photocopies. If any document is not in English or Polish, try to translate it before leaving your home country. If you plan to study in Poland in the future, bring your school certificates and transcriptions. It makes the process much easier later on. Also, if you have any medical conditions, bring your medical records and prescriptions so doctors in Poland know where to start from. Money and access to funds. Even though you are coming to work, you will not get paid immediately. Some companies pay at the end of the month, while others pay around the 10th of the following month. This means you will need money to survive for several weeks. You should bring some cash. Euros or US dollars are the easiest to exchange. But have in mind, official currency in Poland is Polish zloty, not euro. You should bring as well an international debit card with some funds. Clothes. Clothes are important, especially as a newcomer. Poland has 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer and autumn. If you are arriving during winter, bring at least one proper winter jacket. You can buy more later, but you need something immediately. Bring enough everyday clothes to last until your first salary. While clothes are available in Poland, buying everything at once can be expensive when you are just settling in. Don't rely on shopping immediately after arrival. Electronics and tech items. Electronics can be expensive in Poland, so if you already have them, bring them with you. This includes phone, laptop, chargers, power banks, travel adapters. Poland uses European plug types, and having a travel adapter is very important for your first few days before you can buy local extensions. Food, what to bring and what to leave behind. You can find most foods in Poland, including African and Asian food, especially in African, Asian or international markets. So don't overload your luggage with food. What you should bring: spices for cooking, seasoning cubes, small quantities of special items you really prefer and are only common in your region. Spices are light, last long, and may not always be available. What you shouldn't bring: rice, milk, cereals, beverages, cooking oil. These are easily available in Polish supermarkets and are not expensive. Personal care, beauty and hair products. This is very important. Products for darker skin tones and textured hair can be hard to find or can be expensive. Hair services for black hair are expensive in Poland, so coming prepared will save you money. Medications and health essentials. Bring over-the-counter medications like pain relief, prescribed medications with prescriptions, basic first aid items. Some medicines that are easy to get in other countries require prescriptions in Poland. Dental care is also costly, so if you have dental issues, it's best to address them before traveling. Final packing advice. The goal is not to bring everything you own, but to bring what truly matters. Focus on essentials, items that are expensive or hard to find in Poland, things that will help you survive comfortably until your first salary. Pack smart, not heavy. Summary. If you are planning to move to Poland, proper packing can make your transition much smoother. The right preparation saves you money, stress, and unnecessary struggle. If you are already in Poland, feel free to share in the comments what you wish you had brought with you. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. My name is Daria, immigration lawyer from Poland. Thank you for being with me here today and hope to see you next time very soon.